this is 2025 and a lot of people are looking for extra ways to make money for themselves. So if you're a beginner, if you're a coach, if you're a business owner, or maybe you just want to learn an extra way to make money for yourself, then this is a video you should watch. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 9 best ways for you to make money online in 2025. And the interesting thing about this is that this is something that anybody can do from the comfort of their home. No need to stress, no need for past experience. If you are interested, if you're ready, if you're serious, you can do any of this business and make money for yourself. So without wasting more time, let's get straight into the video. Let me show you 9 ways for you to make money online. Before I get in, if you have not subscribed, if you have not connected with us on this channel, make sure to like, make sure to subscribe, and make sure to turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss whenever I share contents like this. So having said that, let's get straight into the video. Let's talk about 9 ways to make money online in 2025. My number 1 on the list is AI powered content. AI powered content creation. With tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, Midjourney, you can create content that people are going to like. You can create content that people are going to engage with, and then grow it to the point that you can be monetized. Apart from that, you can also be creating this content for clients and get paid, especially if you're doing it for brands, if you're doing it for business owners. That's number 1. Number 2 is affiliate marketing. You can promote other people's products and earn commissions through blogs, through videos, through email marketing. A good platform to do that is PromptEarn or StayCut. All right, that's number 2. Number 3 on my list is selling digital products. I sell digital products. You can sell digital products. You can create solutions in the form of ebooks, in the form of templates, in the form of courses, in the form of softwares, solutions that solve people's pressing problem. You can now host it online and market it to make money for yourself. A good platform to do that is Gumroad. Another good platform is SELAR, or you can even sell with your own website if you have a website. That's number 3. Number 4 is drop shipping. You can do drop shipping and sell print on demand packages. You can sell print on demand products. All right, so these are things you can do. You can be selling physical products without even keeping inventories. A good place to do that is Shopify or AliExpress. You can even sell t-shirts. Okay, that is print on demand. Number 4. Now number 5 is UGC, users generated content, where you create short form videos for brands and you get paid. You don't need to show your face. You don't need to be an influencer. This is one of the ways a lot of people are making money. If you want to do this, you can do this on a platform called Warp. It's a new platform, but there are millions of people all over the world who are now doing this, and you can get paid in dollars. All right, that is number 5. Number 6 is TikTok and YouTube monetization. This is where you create videos and build up your profile, build up your following to the point that you get monetized, and you can even make money from adverts. You can make money from affiliate links. You can make money from brand deals. Okay, that's number 6. Number 7 is online courses and coaching. If you know about something, if you have a skill, you can teach it online on platforms like Teachable, Thinkific, or even on SELAR, and promote it using content marketing. There's a whole lot of money to be made if you know how to create online course. If you want to learn how to do this, go to the comment section and drop a comment for me. Okay, or just drop I want to learn how to create courses online. That's number 7. Number 8 is remote freelancing. This is another way for you to make money online in 2025, although this is not really a faster way to make money because you are competing with a lot of people who are very, very good, who are even better than you. So I do not really recommend this if you want to start out. Okay, but it's a very good way to make money. I've made money as a remote freelancer before from Fiverr. You can also use places like Upwork and different other platforms. That's number 8. Now my number 9 is virtual assistants, where you can offer your service to business owners that are very, very busy. Okay, you can offer your skills to them as their admin or as their social media manager to manage their page and do other things they cannot do with their time. Okay, so these are 9 ways for you to make money online. I believe that you have gotten value from this video. If you learned something from this video and you got value from this video, make sure to like, make sure to subscribe, and make sure to turn on your notification bell. I'm going to see you in my next video. Enjoy.